Hello everybody, Student Computer Scientist here, and today we're going to be doing a LeetCode problem, and it's a variation of two-sum. So I'm currently doing LeetCode 150, and I got to 2 pointers, and I'm like going through this really slowly. I'm just trying to make sure that I understand it. But I'm going through 2 pointers right now, and this is like one of the recent problems that I did. So I'm just going to go over it and kind of just talk about like my thought process behind it. So once I switch to my screen, you can see this is two-sum 2. Input array is sorted. So given a one-indexed array of integers, numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, find 2 numbers that they add up to a specific target number. Let these 2 numbers be numbers index 1 and numbers index 2, where 1 is less than index 1, and that's less than index 2, and that's less than numbers.length. Less than or equal to, but you know, variations. And return the indices of the 2 numbers index 1 and 2 added by 1 as the integer array, because it's a one indexed array, which means that 1 is actually 0. Yeah, I get it. And the tester generated is such that there is exactly one solution. You may not use the same element twice. I had int index 1 equals 0 and int index idx 2 equals numbers dot length, and I think I had -1, and then I had int sum, right? So sum equals 0. So then I had while idx 1 is less than idx 2, you go into this while loop. So we have 2 pointers. 1 is at the beginning of the array, 1 is at the end of the array. So look at this example here. So if you add 2 and 15, you get 17. 17 is larger than target, so you're going to subtract this by 1, which then you add these two, still larger, subtract the right one by 1. And if it was the other way around, if this was like less than, I don't know why, yeah, but like, yeah, then you just go the other way. So let's just code that. So if numbers idx 1 plus numbers idx 2, I like to put these in parentheses. It didn't work though, because I didn't start on the other one. But yeah, I like to put these in parentheses. But if that equals target, then we're just going to return, whoops, we're just going to return new array. You put the squiggly braces, and it's idx 1 plus 1 comma idx 2 plus 1, because remember, it's a 1 indexed array, not a 0 indexed array, which means it starts at 0 at index 1, not index 0. And if they don't equal, sorry, I don't need that. So if I could just like make this equal sum. Yeah, so sum equals this, and then I can go in here and do if sum is greater than target, then idx, wow, I'm just not coding correctly right now. Then idx 2 minus minus, else idx 1 plus plus, and that after all of this, then you just return, I think it was new int, wait, did I put int up there? Did I return new int? Nope, they didn't. New int array, squiggly brackets, and then I just put -1 comma -1, just in case you reach the end and there's nothing there, but you got to return something. So then you run it, and I'm hoping this is right on the first try. Cannot find symbol tag it, because that's not how you spell target. Yeah, so I got that to pass, and then submit the whole thing, and it was good, and it beats 93% of Java users. So yeah, this was actually the first LeetCode problem I got. Let me go full screen. This was actually the first LeetCode problem I got first try. Like, I opened this problem, I read it, and I like literally did that, except it like I didn't even spell target wrong. Like, I spelled everything right. Like, this was like first try, less than 10 minutes, and I just knocked it out. And I was like, wow, you know, that was a good feeling. But yeah, I don't really have anything to talk about. Life is pretty stagnant, just applying for jobs, doing LeetCode, and working on side projects. But I'm just gonna keep going through them, and whatever problem kind of sticks out to me or I see or I find interesting, I'll just talk about it. So next, I'm moving on to sliding window. I did skip 3 problems in the array section. I got to do them. It's like the zigzag conversion. Oh, in the last one, text justification, and another one I can't think about. But if like whenever I get to those and kind of understand the logic behind those, and I'm able to get good with it, then I may go over it. But yeah, thank you for watching. My name is Jordan, Computer Scientist. Follow me on Instagram and X. My name is jordancs.js on Instagram and jordancs on X. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my Discord. The link is in the description, and I'm going to see all of you in my next video. Thank you for watching. I'm insecure still, and she's